When planning a holiday, Izmir in Turkey stands out as a top choice. Its stunning coastlines, historical landmarks, and vibrant culture make it an ideal destination. Whether you're into history, adventure, or nature, this city has something for everyone. You can wander through colorful markets, explore lively streets, and take in breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. Sounds amazing, right? Let's delve into the 7 must-visit places in Izmir for your vacation itinerary. Number 7. Izmir Clock Tower. As one of the city's prominent tourist attractions, this landmark is a must-visit. The clock tower was built to honor the 25th anniversary of Sultan Abdülhamid II of the Ottoman Empire, serving as a reminder of a bygone era. Its beauty and grandeur are highlighted by its location in the center of Konak Square, standing 25 meters tall. This 121-year-old tower, made of marble and featuring Ottoman architectural style, inspired the trend of constructing clock towers throughout Turkey. The Izmir Clock Tower is conveniently located near the Aegean Sea, the Agora Open-Air Museum, and other notable sites. Number 6. Kemeraltı Market. Just like the city, this Turkish bazaar is vibrant and colorful, with numerous shops lining the streets. Teeming with locals and tourists, it offers a variety of souvenirs and unique items from the country. The Kemeraltı Market, a popular destination in Turkey, has been around since the 17th century. It is more than just a market, featuring mosques, eateries, synagogues, and more. There are also grand caravanserais where you can rest before continuing your shopping. If you visited the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, consider this a smaller version. Number 5. Hierapolis Pamukkale. Prepare to be amazed by this stunning Greek-Roman spa town, renowned for its hot springs. Over centuries, the flow of these hot springs down the hillside has created white travertine terraces that are truly spectacular. Beyond this beautiful attraction, there are many other sites to explore in Izmir city, located within this town. Though now in ruins due to a 60 AD earthquake, the town was at its height in the 2nd and 3rd centuries AD. You will find temple ruins, baths, a monumental arch, a nymphaeum, and more, all echoing tales of the past. If you're on your honeymoon in Turkey, make sure to visit this town and unwind in the hot springs afterward. Number 4. Pergamon Acropolis. Have you ever seen movies filmed in Turkey featuring tall, rustic pillars in the backdrop of a war scene? This location is just like that. The ancient, towering white pillars with majestic hills in the background make it one of the most picturesque places to visit in Izmir, Turkey. Although much of the Acropolis lies in ruins, its magnificence is enhanced by its imperfect structure. Once the capital of the Hellenistic Attalid dynasty, this historical site also boasts a theater perched on the edge of a cliff, offering breathtaking views of the city. These crumbling monuments remind us that change is constant, and our legacy is what remains. The Acropolis stands as a testament to the power it wielded in the 2nd century BC. Number 3. Village of Sirens. The village of Sirens will awaken the photographer in you. Its narrow streets, lined with traditional old houses that have stood the test of time, capture the essence of Turkey. You'll gain insight into the architectural beauty of these homes and the warm hospitality of the locals. Strolling through Sirens feels like stepping back in time. The villagers still wear traditional clothes, women call out to each other from their homes. Bread is baked in stone ovens, and cats bask in the afternoon sun. Just talking about this village evokes a sense of warmth and joy. Number 2. Alsancak. As the heart of Izmir, this town is one of the liveliest places to visit in Turkey, offering an ideal work-life balance. Its cosmopolitan lifestyle and central location make it a vibrant neighborhood. Alsancak is renowned for its bustling streets filled with shops, cafes, and restaurants. You can explore historic sites or relax by the Aegean Sea. The nightlife here is energetic, with bars, clubs, and other venues coming alive after sunset. Home to the iconic clock tower, Alsancak is a must-visit during your trip to Izmir. Number 1. A day trip to Ephesus. This place is incredibly stunning and ranks as one of the top destinations near Izmir. Dating back to the 10th century BC, Ephesus was one of the most important and bustling cities of its era, and its ruins remain remarkably well preserved today. Numerous day and half-day tours from Izmir visit Ephesus, usually accompanied by a guide who can explain the significance of what you're seeing. Even if you don't have a guide, there are informational signs everywhere. I highly recommend taking your time to explore Ephesus. It's an extensive site and can get very crowded during the summer months.